Now, Jamie, you're actually a reporter for Te Kāea some years ago, or maybe many years ago. Did it ever occur to you then that you would be taking up the position of chairman for the station?
Look, it was some 12 years ago, and when I reflect back to that time, no, I didn't have any aspirations to get involved at a governance level, but I guess today I'm really excited by the opportunity to work with the board, and I think my time at Te Kāea has really given me an insight to the passion and the drive and the role that Whakaata Māori has moving forward. As
I read out when I introduced you, you've got so many hats, different hats that you wear. You're the chair of this, chair of that, CEO of something else. I mean, I don't know how you're going to find time for this, but you know, what does this mean for you personally?
Oh, look, I've always been very passionate about Te Reo Māori, Te Reo Taranaki. I spent some years sitting on our Te Reo Taranaki Trust back home in Taranaki, and I'm still actively involved at a marae level with our community. And for me personally, it's really just an opportunity to contribute to this ongoing kaupapa of our reo, and that's what excites me. I'm very passionate about it, and I'm really looking forward to working with the board, with Keith and our staff to ensure that we continue to advance Te Reo Māori.
And just lastly, Jamie, we're just about out of time, but what is it that you'd like to see for Whakaata Māori in the next 10 years?
I think the opportunity for us is to ensure that we are relevant and that we are part of the everyday lives of all Māori and non-Māori of Aotearoa New Zealand. And I think if we were to achieve that, then I think we're on the right path forward.